I've tried to film this a ton of times, and we did a little ghetto tutorial over on my Instagram page, so if you don't follow me there, go follow me there. Maze actually did it. So, oh my gosh. See what I mean, guys? Technology, it loves me. Trying again, because we don't give up in this family. But I use the beach waiver, so I will link it in there for you in the bio. But all you do, it's so easy because it has these buttons. But you're just gonna put it right in the middle, and I always curl away from my face. Always. Always, always. And I always leave like about an inch or an inch and a half out away throughout my hair. The beach waiver makes it so easy. So I have the top layer. I start from the back, and like I did the whole head, I just grab, literally guys, I do different pieces everywhere, all over. And then the top, I go a little bit closer up towards the top, just so I can get close. I start my curling iron close to the top, just so it gives it a little bit more oomph, you know what I mean? Filming a hair tutorial or these kind of things are harder than it looks. If you've done one before, or if you do them, wow. I would like to do more, so if you want, I don't know. I don't do really much to my hair though. Except for curl. I used to be really creative in high school and do like messy buns and messy two buns, and like I used to go all out in high school. I was an all-outer. I was super extra in high school. Were you extra in high school? That was me. Okay. Go to the other side. Well, I curled this side the same way I did this one. It just deleted off my thing. And I was talking about technology and how technology hates me. And then it deleted my video. So either someone is listening to us or it's gonna go crazy around here. That was weird, but anyways, we're gonna finish this. Technology's not gonna rule us, guys. Okay, so I just finished curling it all. Now I'm going to hairspray. I hairspray it before I brush it out. And then I take my bath pack brush. You guys, and that is it. And then I take my hairspray again. I'm using just Suave. And I just go like that. That's simple. Sometimes I have texture spray, but I'm just gonna use hairspray today. And I just let it messy up. Like I said, for extra volume, sometimes I use my Ruby lifter. Or, like I said, curling close to the root really helps, starting up there close. And look at that. There's so much volume, I don't even know what to do with myself. And that is it, y'all. Woo woo. Oh yeah. So, you can do this too. Get a beach waiver. Like,
I was playing with this and I was like, this is cool. And they're like, you can keep that.
The neighbors said that? What do you think we should do? Should we keep it? Are you sure?
Yeah, take a picture of it.
Okay, take a picture. 1, 2, 3.
It looks cool. You think?
Wow. Yes, I do think.
It can transform too. Press this button.
Okay. Wow, you're so lucky.
He transforms.
Oh, you're
And
so
then
lucky.
watch. It can transform.
How are you?
It turns into this.
How are you so lucky? That's what I want to know. How?
I want one of these for Christmas.
You have it right there.
Oh yeah.